up today? Walmart. We're going to Walmart. Let's not say that out too loud because I don't want to have an anxiety attack right now, or panic attack, whatever you want to call it. Let's not say it out too loud, okay? But I got to go to Walmart, and the husband left me his card. So yeah, I'm gonna go shopping. I'm gonna go shopping. I'm gonna go crazy. What? I don't know. We're going to get water and I already took dinner out. So Maddie, you need shoe? I don't put shoe on the toddler. I don't know why. What's up, Destiny? What's up, Destiny? What's up, Jack? You know, I only have a few kids here with me. What's up, Maddie? What is she drinking? Oh Lord. It's a beautiful day outside. Too bad I haven't been out and it's almost 2 o'clock. But whatever. I'm just getting up. Welcome to my life. So we're going to Walmart. And I have to get water, trash bag, dish soap, not dish soap, but dishwasher soap. What else? I don't know what else. When we go there, we shall figure out. The budget is $20. Let's see if we keep that budget, okay? Maddie, come on. Look at pretty girl. Say hello, guys. Say hi. I'm not putting any shoes on her. Saw the water. She's feeling much better. She was sick yesterday. I don't know what that was about, but she was not feeling well. So let's go. Dude, you have to drink juice right now? Can you hurry up? Because I don't know why your shorts so short. Dude, I don't know what's going on with your shorts. They're almost butty right there. All right, let's go, people.
Is he getting taller?
What is she doing? Let's see if my keys are in here. Because I never know where my keys are. Yay! Keys somewhere in here. I don't know where it is, but it's here. Hopefully, I need to find me a good trap music situation playlist to listen to because I'm so sick of the old one that I had for school and stuff. But don't you just hate when you can't buckle your seatbelt and multitask? Now I have to adjust my seat because my husband been in here.
Jaxson,
and he's a little bit taller than me.
down there?
The other day he had my mirror pushed in and I was so pissed off because I'm like driving and I looked over and my mirror is like turned in and I'm like, why do you turn my mirror in? Like, why do you turn my mirror in, dude? And he was like, well, I didn't want the kids to knock into, don't touch my flipping mirror. I was so mad. I don't even know why my husband put up with me sometimes, but hey, he does. To Walmart we go. Do not say that word way too loud because my heart is like slowly rising. I'm sitting in the car and I'm about to head out and that alone is bringing on so much anxiety and I'm not gonna panic. I'm not gonna panic. I don't even want to go. I've been in this car for a hot minute now and I don't want to go. Oh God. Guys, it's hard. It's hard. I wish you guys could know how much stress goes into me going outside of my home. Like, you guys don't even understand. And Walmart at that. But I know if I don't go, my husband is going to be highly upset because this is something he needs. He needs his water. You know, and if I don't go, then be like, I left you the card. You didn't go anywhere. Look at that pretty little face. I have to adult for this face right here. That's the face I have to adult for, so I have to get her out the house. Hey, stop spitting! So let's go. You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. We're here. We are here, guys. We're here.
Guys,
Like my glasses, my husband bought me glasses because you know I can't see the drive. I'm like the sun and stuff, but these are like the best glasses. Okay, you put it away. We're here at Walmart and I'm so scared to go in. I'm sweating. I don't even think it's that hot. But
why are you so scared?
I hate this place. But they have the cheapest water, so let's go do this. Guys, why doesn't it dress up like it's snowing?
No.
Why? Close the door. Just close the door.
I was gonna wear sandals, but I didn't feel like it.
Alright, let's go. You ready, dude? Look
I
at
just
his
like
pants.
sweatpants.
Oh, I gotta lock the car. Let me lock it this way, because I don't like taking out my keys. Oh, Jesus. Guys, look at that. My purse right out in the open for them to come broke my window and think there's money in here. No money is not in here. I am broke. They would be a very disappointed thief. Alright, let's go.
Let's go, Zebra. Figure. It's gonna be cold in Walmart anyway.
Oh, Lord.
So I drive.
Every time I come to Walmart, I forget what I need. Oh, look, ice cream.
Can we get no?
We don't have any money.
We're getting a chip.
You have money?
Yeah.
I'm just here for garlic bread because I'm making meatballs,
Can I
but I don't see any.
I want to hold you like this. You're my baby now.
Maybe it's on the other side. And I need to get water before I forget. And I only have $20 because the husband put me on a budget. I wonder why. Okay, let's go find this garlic bread and get out of Walmart before I have a panic attack. Guys, look what I got. A free sample. Ah.
All that for nothing.
Destiny thinks it wasn't worth it, but it's a free sample of Downy Unstoppable. So
Not a piece.
let's go get the water, and I got something for free.
Then the water. Peace out, guys. Here's your purse. The car is locked. It's locked, everybody. It's locked. I can't get in. Ah! Now we're closing it. Getting into the car. Hey, why'd you lock the door on me? You locked it on me. You want a sticker? Give me. I got a. Oh my gosh! Give me key card. There's a wasp. I thought there was a wasp in the car. There's no wasp in the car. It's hot out here. Look at me.
Have the gift card?
Some stickers.
Have the gift card.
This weird lady. Some stickers. So hot in here. Here you go. RSVP, please.
Where's my purse? Okay, guys. So
There was a
we're done with Walmart. I didn't get to get the paper plate because my husband told me to spend $22 and I was trying to spend $23.70 something, and the card declined. And the thing with my husband's card is that the exact amount has to be spent or else it's going to be declined. I set it up that way because it's not linked to the main account. You have to transfer money, and people were just standing there looking at me like, so I was like, I ain't even gonna bother. And he told me to spend $22, so I'm not even gonna. So I left the paper plate, but everything else was on my list. I would have gotten the paper plate had I not got cupcakes for the kids. It's hot. I'm gonna go cool these kids off and get home. I made it! I made it! I made it! Oh my God! Oh my God! You know I came up in my house blasting my music because you know they say I'm trashy. So guess what? I'm gonna be trashy all day long. What? Stay in your damn house like a vampire. I don't give a. But guess what? I'm gonna live my best life. I'm gonna buy my water. Didn't get my plate.
I knew it.
I'm gonna go get all my energy back because Walmart sucked the life out of me, and finish editing my thumbnail. I'm redoing all my thumbnail on my channel, and yeah, I'm just revamping my channels. I'm gonna do that and then catch up with y'all later. My husband's home, but this is where I put my my dishwashing tabs let in for storage. I think it's just prettier. Like, it's just prettier. So I used the Walmart I use the Walmart brand because can't really tell the difference. And I hardly ever, this is like $3.14 or something like that, or $2.50, something. So I got that. I got some trash bags. I just got the 15 pack one, and it's 30-gallon because we go through a lot of trash. Got some Texas toast because I'm getting ready to make meatball, and then I got some 88 cents. The glitter on this is ridiculous. 88 cents cake mix, some whipping, topping, whatever, some cupcake liner, and instant coffee, because yeah, your girl needs it, and water. And that was like 20 bucks. Hubby came home, he took me to 7-Eleven and bought me a Slurpee. Maddie took it over. I love to go to 7-Eleven and mix the Slurpees. Like, I get the different kinds. So my sweet girl then took it over. Can I have some?
Oh, she knows. I was trying to throw the knife barely. Oh my god, I keep forgetting it's not like assassin at all.
Oh, so good. Is it good?
You're doing fantastic.
She's not gonna give it back, so might as well call that a loss. So I'm gonna go get started on dinner. I'm gonna show you guys what I make. Hubby's home. He's somewhere outside. And yeah, I'll catch up with y'all later. A vlog a day. A vlog a day. Guys, I don't know what happened to yesterday's vlog, but I know today's today, and I didn't vlog today, but that's because I have it up. I have another vlog from yesterday for today, if that makes any goddamn sense. But we had meatballs and spaghetti, and I didn't record the ending. I was just too lazy. I told you guys I'm not cut out for this vlog a day stuff, you know what I mean? But yeah, I made soup today, and Destiny disrespected my soup. She called it hot water with spice. She said all we're drinking is hot water with spice. This girl disrespected my Jamaican food. I cook
Excuse me. I did not.
I cook chicken noodle soup.
Guys, I did it.
And she said,
I said it,
all
I'm
this
sorry.
is hot water with spice.
Yeah, it's really good, guys. You should see it in the pot.
Hot water with spice though, Destiny? Jesus. But anyways,
Look how delicious it is.
Maddie wanna say hi to you guys. Say hi. Say good night. See you tomorrow.
Mommy.
Look at all
But
this
anyways, guys, I'm gonna close out the vlog. I'm sorry it ended abruptly. But I'm sorry. I promise tomorrow will be better if anxiety and depression doesn't take a hold of me. What? Say hi. Ooh, too much.
Hi.
All right, say bye.
We made cupcake tomorrow.
All right, so I need to go clean my kitchen and prep my kitchen for tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.